Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 69 Nova. Got the owner here, he's going to tell us a little bit about it. What are we doing today, Nick?
Hi, how you doing, Mike?
Yeah, man, what a pretty car.
Yeah, nice car. Four-speed car.
Okay, M22.
M22, 12-bolt rear. Original California car.
That explains the no rust on that.
No rust. Nice car.
Really pretty. Super straight body.
Yeah.
350, 300 under the hood.
Yeah.
Power brakes.
Original motor, power brakes.
Original motor too, huh?
Yeah.
Vintage air. I love the vintage air. Blows so nice and cold. Finished in rally red. Black vinyl roof.
Yep.
Black interior with the bucket. With the bench.
Original car.
So beautiful. Not a squeak out of it either. It's a really nice, honest car. You know, I see so many of these are just like taped together.
Yeah.
And zip tied together.
This car is not been messed with.
This is the real deal right here, man.
Yeah.
It's like brand new tires all the way around. You got the retro style wheels.
Aluminum wheels.
Those are made by probably, I think, US Mag, probably.
I believe so.
Looks like a brand new chrome bumper up front.
Yeah.
Beautiful fitment of all the panels. Super straight body, jeez. Doesn't get any nicer. Pop the hood. She is. Original 350, 300 horse. Got Shortie headers leading out to 2.5-inch exhaust and the Flowmaster Muffler. Sounds beautiful. K&N Air Filter. It's like a 650 carburetor.
Yeah.
Electronic ignition. Nice aluminum radiator with dual fans. Vintage air.
Vintage air conditioning.
Power disc brakes up front. Quick ratio steering box. Hotchkis upper and lower tubular A-arms. That makes a big difference. All new belts. Power steering. Awesome. Fire it up. Let's hear this bad boy. Hastily done. You know, we drove it all the way over here, not a squeak out of this car. These cars are all squeaky. MSD wires. Looks like the exhaust is all Mandrill bent too. Battery cutoff. Awesome. So good. We got Mickey's on the back. Yep. Love the retro wheel. 12-bolt Hotchkis sway bar. What kind of gears, man? 410s in the back. That's why it's so punchy. Bench seat belts all the way around. panels, strikers, super nice felts in the windows. The quarter vents are beautiful. They're not all hashed up, pitted. Stewart Warner RPM gauge, showing 48,381 miles on the odometer. Beautiful dash. It's original miles, huh? Wow. Retro sound with aux in and Bluetooth. Added gauges. I have the same gauges on my Cuda.
Oh yeah?
Exact, yeah. Love the kick panel, so the stereo rocks. Vintage air unit, as you can see, is like brand new. 4-speed M22 with a Hurst Shifter. Beautiful back seat. Seat back, belts back here as well. All the cranks and handles and everything are beautiful. Alpine 6x9s. We go for a quick ride? Man, what a day. Can't believe it's November. Man, this is a special car, it really is. I know I said that like 10 times. It's so true though. Man, you could drive this car anywhere.
Runs good.
Yeah, it does, man. Awesome. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.